To use Zelle with BMO, start by ensuring you have a BMO account and the BMO digital banking app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and follow the enrollment process to set up your account access. Next, open the BMO digital banking app and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section, where you will find the option to send money with Zelle. If you have not already enrolled in Zelle, you will be prompted to do so by accepting the terms and conditions. To enroll in Zelle, you will need to provide your email address or mobile phone number, which will be used to identify you in the Zelle network. This information will also be used by the recipient to receive the funds you send. After enrolling in Zelle, you can start sending money to friends, family, or anyone with a U.S. bank account. To do this, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Choose the account you want to use to send the funds and enter the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information and the amount. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The funds will be sent directly to the recipient's bank account, usually within minutes. To receive money with Zelle and BMO, the sender will need to have your email address or mobile phone number associated with your Zelle account. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited directly into your BMO account. Best practices for using Zelle with BMO include only sending money to people you know and trust, keeping your account information and login credentials secure, and monitoring your account activity regularly. Additionally, be aware of any transaction limits or fees associated with using Zelle. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently use Zelle with your BMO account to send and receive money.